Hey, what's up guys? This is Seth Waters, Dark Waters Fly Shop, week after trout opener. So you guys saw the trout opener video I did. If you didn't, go check that out. It's pretty sweet. I got my buddy Corey here today. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do about a 8-mile float. And we're not starting until about 2:15, which is a little ridiculous. We should have started earlier in the day, but this is as soon as I could get out. So we're gonna go ahead. We're probably gonna push through a whole bunch of water right away. And this is also the maiden voyage of a full-blown float trip with the new Stealthcraft. So come along with us. We're gonna be swinging streamers for giant browns. Hey guys, we're about an hour into our trip. It's about 3:40 right now. Sun's shining, a little bit overcast here and there, which is kind of cool. We got some stoneflies coming off, some really small blue-wing olives whenever it gets cloudy. Corey's got 3 fish in the boat. Missed one right at the boat here just a second ago. That was about 20, so I dropped the anchor. We're just chilling. But he's been using his spinning rod. I know this is a fly fishing channel, but I got some friends that aren't saved yet. So
I use my fly rod too.
So no, he did use his fly rod a little bit, but we're gonna get some flies going here in a little bit, some streamers. We're just kind of getting used to taking the boat down some water, but hopefully we get to show you guys some more fish. So once you get yourself into the middle like that, oh, this is a nice fish. Just keep us going. Don't even worry about me. Out came Mr. Brown Trout to play here today. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful brown. Let's measure them. 18 inches. 18-inch brown. Thank you, Mr. Brown Trout. All right, guys, so if you see a little wet spot right there on the back of Corey's waders, that right there, that's from how scared he was when he had to navigate underneath the bridge and the whole 9 yards when I had that brown on earlier. But we're about to wrap it up. It's been a pretty good day. I hope to be able to make a video out of this for you guys. But we did about, I don't know, 8 miles of a river today floating it. It was kind of the maiden voyage of the float for the Stealthcraft here. I've got to come up with a name for the Stealthcraft, you know, like the SS Waters, but you know, that's kind of cliche. You guys could come up with something and put it for me in the comments. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. I really appreciate you guys joining us. And if you guys would do me a favor, keep Corey in your prayers, because you know, he's still throwing a spinning rod even after he watched me nail the biggest trout of the day on a fly. So if you guys would just, you know, keep him in your prayers for me, I'd appreciate it. Anything to say, Corey? You got anything to say for yourself?
How many fish did I catch today?
What's that?
How many fish did I catch today?
I can't hear you.